welcome back to my channel. It's your girl once again, Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. For my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So lovelies, yeah, as you can see from the title, so I was born November 27th. So yeah, so these are what I got for my birthday and I would love to unbox them with you guys. And yes, so without any further ado, let's just get started. The first is gonna be this. Oops. Oh. So the first is going to be this from Cartier. And yes, so like this is my first time of ever getting this. This actually I unboxed it already and I will be installing the video, so I will be putting the video which I used to unbox it because I couldn't really wait.
In between the lines, underneath your bed sheets, it started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose.
When you open it, so you have this beautiful stunning ring inside. Is the Cartier include the Cartier ring. So if I can't pronounce it, I'm going to write it down, and also I will be putting the link in the description button as well. And this is the stunning beautiful ring. Oh my goodness, like I really love this ring so much. This was just a dream, like oh my god. So what I love about this ring on it, and so this is actually what you can use to tight it, like for it to fit to your finger. So if you want it to look loose a bit, so you're going to roll this ball, like this ball they roll, except the one in the middle. The one in the middle does not, that just stands still. Looks the next is this beautiful, so from Masmara. So I got this beautiful sunglass from Masmara. I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, it's winter and she's still getting sunglass. Like I really love this sunglass from Masmara. When I saw it, I was just like, oh, I need to have this. This is such a classical and you can use it anytime, you guys. Yes, so this is the sunglass. Oh my goodness, look at this. Just look at this beautiful sunglass. Just look at it. And then it has this Masmara written on it. And yes, so I really love this sunglass. And let me put it on. So this is it. So I really just love the sunglass and
miss you. Take you off. I came away this drunk.
It's from Hermes. Oh my goodness, yeah. So I finally got this, and yeah, so let me just show you guys.
Where you heading?
So it's this beautiful plate, and definitely I'm going to be using this as a dining table decoration. And yes, so it's like you can use this to eat, but I will be using it as a deco. So this is going to be my dining table deco, and I'm so happy to have this. So I also brought the small one because I never did unboxing of the small one, so I just started using it. I couldn't really wait. And yes, so this is the small sushi plate. So this is a small sushi plate, and oh my god, like I'm using this like to store my jewelries. And yes, so I think I have to get the real jewelry plate from Hermes or box. I don't really know what's called, but they have special ones for jewelries, and these are just plates to eat. And this is the sushi plates, and you can use it also for snacks as well. And also with this, like you can use this for cakes, and you know, for your cake, for birthday cake or whatever. So kind of a tea time plate as well, and you can use it as a deco. So if you want to store your jewelries, you just want to display your jewelries as well, this is just a must-have if you're a fan of the house Hermes. And yes, so I really love this. You can also use it as a display, like, you know, kind of a deco display, but you have to get the stand, like I think by ST, is it ST they call it? So you can get a stand, like to just stand it and kind of use it to decorate. I really love this, and I'm still hoping to get more of these. Like I want the small dolls and also the cups as well. I do really love them, but it's okay, I'm just buying my collections one after the other, so you don't just kind of like think you're spending much. So when you're buying this one after the other, so it's more better than just buying all at once. So at the end of the day, it's still going to be the same price, but you're just kind of dividing it, and you really have this time to think whether you like it, whether you want to have it, whether you will use it for a very long time. And these are classical that you use for a very long time, and you can also pass it to your children as well. And yes, so that is why I'm so in love with this. And yes, so I still have like 2 or 3 from Hermes, but those are my Christmas presents, and I don't want to unbox it now. So I just want to have this excitement, like opening our present with the kids, and yeah, you know how it feels. So that's why I'm not opening the rest now. So lovelies, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and also thank you for those that follow me on Instagram. You guys are just wow. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. And also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. Love you all to the moon and back. Love you. Bye.
But you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep.